Hello guys, today we're gonna do something different. Let's do all the worst games ever. Plague Baits. This thing. Don't even try to. Look at that face. That thing doesn't fit you. The hair doesn't fit you. Come on, now it's collision too. Oh crap! Shit! I don't want to do this. Oh, true, I can do this. Come on, do it. You can do it. Oh, come on! Can I even get a break about this? Oh, I don't care now. I'm gonna do this later. I'm a baby or an adult? Nah, I'm a baby. Oh, there's a lot of parents. I'm gonna spam this. Adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me. Adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me, adopt me. I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm just gonna spam it. I don't want to spam it. Looking for a parent, looking for a parent, looking for a parent. Can someone adopt me? Can someone adopt me? This is weird. I'm spamming. Adopt me. Oh, I don't care. Ooh, it looks fun. Oh, hell no. It wants me to, I don't. Oh, true, I don't have much money. I want money. Give me money related. Blood. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, come on. Yeah, there's my maximum is 50 minutes. Yeah, for me, got them 50 minutes. Yeah, gotta see what's in the shop. Hell no, I'm not gonna go there. Hell no. What's still this? Ooh, I got that. Ooh, got the money, and the. Yeah, okay. I don't care. Yeah, somebody comes. Nobody? Yeah, I don't care. I wanna be wee. Yeah. I think I'm scared of heights. I think. Yeah, you don't want to come. Okay, you don't want to come. I don't care. Yeah, girl, take out that crap up. That says my name. Mike the Cuties. Oh, no. Some people's coming in. Yeah, no, it's taken, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm your family. I don't care. I'm waiting. Oh, another girl. Another one. Okay. The pink. Yay. So we are having so much fun. Having so much fun now. Now I see I'm scared of heights. I don't care. Dad, look at her. Throw her. Look at them. They just wanted me. They just wanted me for if they want to. I can't speak. They wanted me just for the ride. Because I have a lot of money. You know what I mean. Yeah. So yeah. Look at them. They look so happy. Oh my! And they sing to themselves. Sorry about that. Wait. Hell no, I'm not gonna go in down. This is my first time getting in here. I don't know. Because I hate this game. Yes, I know I hate it. Yeah, I hate it. Yeah. This is the worst game ever. I hate Adopt Me. Please let me. I want to leave the server now. And my brothers will miss me. Ta-ring! Tarmarella, la Marlello. Tornata se a tarleva. I don't wanna leave. Stay here. I don't want to. Yes, please leave. Be right back in 1 minute. 1 sec. Back. Oh, I have money. Okay. Yes. Adopt me. No, I don't want me. I don't want to be adopted. Well, I'm already adopted, but I don't have any parents. But hell no, I don't wanna go. No, I glitched through it. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Grounded. Yeah. You guys do it, I don't want to. Someone buy it. Buy it. I'm gonna say. Buy it now. I'm just yelling at them. These idiots. I'm so rude. I'm so rude to my moms. Ugh, yourself. Oh, yourself. Oh, hey. Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. Hey, what you want? I just want. I want my Milky. I want Milky. I want her Milky. Why's she asking me? Ah, who cares? Sorry, persons. I'm so lonely. Everybody's in the front. That's why I hate this game so much. I'm gonna leave it. And you know the new update? Oh shoot, no. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm gonna go. Maybe. I'm sorry about the photo. It's my sister. I put K because I was lazy. Put my sister's name. Okay. You know, if I put Mel stuff, not my name is not Mel. This is my sister's. I'm gonna. That looks horrible. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that. Yeah, hell no, sis. I'm sorry, sis. Yeah. But look, she's cute. Can I have your nose? Hell no! Okay, calm down. Hell no, hell no. Hell no. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna go, I don't like it.
Mike the Cutie 124.
I don't wanna die, I don't want to let so young. I have a problem now.
Hello, Mike the Cutie.
I need to do this. Wait. Oh shoot. Wait. So still I found a clue. Sorry. You know, the new update. Another new update? Oh no! Look, we got the new update. This is my favorite game. Let's see how many visits. Play. Oh, he wasn't dead. He didn't lie. He didn't lie. Look at him. And I really love this game. I love more this game than Adopt Me. The crap. Oh. She's playing. Where is she? Oh, she's playing. Please don't play. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's not have these do. 12 bacon hair. Blue crap hair. No. What are you? What are you? You know what? I'm gonna log out to my account. No, I'm not gonna. I don't have Roblox. I'm sorry. Smell it. Yeah, so yeah, that's my one of these. The second worst game ever is this crap. This crap. More girls play it. I don't play it. Cause I'm. Wait, what? I don't want to say. And who's she? Who's she? Hey. Hey. What? Bro, can you join us, please? Lily miss you. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, she missed me. Oh, she has Matt's friend. Oh, probably not. Oh, I'm on here. Hi. Oh, so by the way, subscribe to Albert's stuff. I'm gonna go in. It's gonna be Alberto. Oh, this is my Albert stuff, Mom. Yeah. Albert's stuff. Yeah, Albert's stuff is the best. A.K. Flamingo. Dr. Flamingo. Let's watch some of his videos. The loudest noise in Roblox. Yeah, Flamingo. 1 million subscribers. Real roses are red. Hey, this is not child friendly. Hell no, that's not child friendly. And look. Subscribe. Oh, hell no. I'm sorry, guys. Hell no. What did I just did? I don't know how to. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna stop. Pixar. Yeah, that's inappropriate. This will ruin your childhood. My childhood is already ruined. Yeah. Yeah. Most disgusting place in Roblox. The most disgusting place in Roblox is, Adopt Me. It's so disgusting. Like a texting. Oh, also shout out to Vux. I'm gonna see his. Ooh, hell no. What a. Oh, how? What up? Boy, why are you eating cookies? You're a ghost. Oh, come on. Shout out to him. Shout out to Alba's stuff. And and you're him. I'm gonna. And don't forget my. Ooh. Oh wait, what? 20 more? 21 more? Sure, I subscribe to a lot of people. Subscribe to. I'm gonna do like a British accent. I'm good at it. Now subscribe to Kitty Goes Meow Meow. Let's subscribe. Shout out to her, Alberto, and Vox. No Spanish. Hola. Shout out a Kitty Goes Meow Meow, Vox, Alberto. Y suscríbete a sus canales. Subscribe to their channel. got a lot of support of them. Like their videos, like mine too.